Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, I'm definitely still very bullish overall. I still think this is all part of a WXY pattern. I still think this wave Y needs to go up and take out these two highs to complete what I think is three waves up for W, three waves down for X, and I think we had to make a wave a wave B, and a wave C of wave Y to complete this pattern. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as the end of a crescent right here. I think this five ways up is a wave one of wave C. I think this is already an ABC, which I think is a two of wave C. And I think this is all just subdivisions of a wave three, which I think is a wave three of wave C, which this wave C is a wave C of wave Y based on that monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think we definitely have five waves up already. We took out the high of the wave B, so I think the wave one is already in, and I think this is the end of a crescent. I think this is the end of a trend. So that end of a trend is a one. I think this end of a crescent is a two, and I think this is all subdivisions of a wave three. So that would be a one of three, most likely an ABC two of three, and most likely it would bounce off one of these fib levels and continue the uptrend for a wave three of wave three. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I definitely think that we are still going down overall. I think this is very clearly five waves down, wave A. I think this is clearly one, two, three waves up, wave B. I think this is also very clearly a wave one. I think this move up is a wave two. This is probably a wave three of wave C. So if anything, if it does even make a move to the upside, it's probably just a wave forward. It probably needs to go down one more time for a wave five, probably a wave five of wave C, which definitely could push beyond the 38. It could go down to the 50% or even the 61% before it actually makes that 3, 4, 5 shape and ends the wave C. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, based on all that information, I definitely would primarily be looking for shorts. I would have to see a three-way pullback. I would want to see a nice A, B, C shape. I would be looking at a Fibonacci retracement of this push down right here. So I'd be looking for three counter trend waves, A, B, C. I'd be looking for a Fibonacci bounce. I would be looking for a big engulfing move, break a structure to the downside for an entry to go short for the continuation of what I think is likely a wave C or a wave 2 of wave C on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and get access to my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.